Alright, so how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video today. Y'all know the last time we bumped STORMZY. I'm a big fan. I like STORMZY's music. Just real quick. I'm gonna have to change my audio setting too, so that way, y'all know how I should be tripping sometimes. Let me make sure that even works. Yes, sir. I always like the way STORMZY's videos be, bro. Like, it's just so unique, like, and education. All right, let me put on my headphones. Yo, put on your headphones. Let's get to it.
The hit Brainiac.
I'm gonna be reacting to this video from a producer standpoint. I'll be looking at everything, bro, from the beat, you know, lyrics isn't everything to me, but I'll be paying attention to that too. The cinematography, the colors of the video, because that's important. Trust me, to me at least. The camera movements. I like how it started out from right there and then pans out while he's reading. Oh man, what is the reason? Wow, hey, I like that. Sometimes I'll be wondering, this is what I mean, like, now, is this green screen or are they actually on the top of somewhere? I want to imagine and say that they're at the top of somewhere. Are they in Europe somewhere or is this Dubai? I can't tell. It looks like a mixture of both. Whoa.
Easy. And it's like,
bruh. Hold up.
Easy. And it's like,
I want to pause that. I like to go frame by frame. I'm studying these. Okay, book of SKENG.
5 whole years on a circuit. Every single year I murk it. Every single year.
I love that. This is when I think about the way they might have edited some of these videos. I'm always thinking about like this had to have been some sort of slow motion or recorded in a very slow tone, allowing and giving them enough time for them to go all the way back, get the guy showing this, right? And then coming right back to him and he continues rapping. Because like otherwise you're doing a bunch of extra things just to get this effect, which when the budget is there, you could do anything.
And it's like, 5 single year I murk it.
Like, look at that. Like, you know what I'm saying? No one's running that fast unless there's some sort of a gimbal doing this. You know what I'm saying? And they have those robotic arm gimbals that do a lot of those fast movement shots. So actually, that could have been what they used, but you never know. If you wanted to achieve this yourself without all the extra shit, yeah, you really got to slow that song all the way down. But the math has to be right. This is why paying attention to math would have been proper. The math has to be right, because if you slow it down too slow, it'll be hard to sync it back up to a regular speed.
Jerk it, I flip mode and reverse it.
I love that. What I like about homie's videos too, bro, like almost a lot of the times, almost every word is the same type, is a different scenery, and that's really dope. I like that.
I just hope that it's worth it.
Done. You see what I'm saying? This nigga.
I'm a master. I go the furthest. And the nigga been the hardest. And I bun all my bad like.
That's facts, man. You know what I'm saying? Some people be going the fastest, but just because you're going the fastest doesn't always mean that you're going the furthest. You know what I'm saying?
Your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the babes on burst. I know that I do man dirt. Allow me again, this, that. Sounds of the SKENG.
Oh my God, bro. The transitions on this are so freaking dope. This is a very long time for plotting.
Man just brother up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist man skirt. You man ain't been entirely.
Let me
man just brother up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist man skirt.
I want to see how they. So okay, so they must have rotoscoped the truth thing and then had it zoom in to the actual scene. As you can see, okay, yeah. This scene is very dope. Like, I like how that transition was.
Hands work me again, allow me again. This,
So
that.
the camera's okay, turns around. Okay.
Sounds of the skeng, I move.
Oh my God, this deserves a like. I like that,
All my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again. My dogs them are different.
bro. That is so freaking dope, man. I want to know how they did that. There's a couple ways I can.
Friends foul with a pen.
So
Dogs start howling again. My dogs are different. Foul my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling
y'all listening to what he's saying? He going crazy. He not playing though.
again. My dogs them are different.
Dude, bro had to be wearing a green screen or something. At least for those first couple scenes. I really want to try. There's a couple effects I want to try recreating. This being one of them, and then the second one being the Lil Mosey's video. They had great effects in that video.
So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent.
Wow.
Big Mike don't need no.
And then the camera just
Name a nigga.
and then shows them on top of. That's so dope, bro. That's so dope, bro. Obviously that was green screen, but that's fire. Very, very well put together.
That's this consistent. We talking blacks or stats. I rude, boy, you do the math. So I look chilly in the south, but I live out. Stick to my swag and drips now. You niggas thought you were bad, you piss now. Cause that boy.
Green screen to that. Oh, this is dope. I love the creativity of this, bro.
I hope you niggas know what it is now, but man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with.
Man.
Got to the bag, you rich now. I hope you niggas know what it is.
Okay, let's see. Definitely rotoscope to put them behind and then that way. Looks like he's stepping on them. Okay.
Off your face, I'm entirely true.
This is such a big budget shoot.
I know the truth.
I'm telling you, man, motherfuckers be thinking they can get everything for the low. I just be like, the amount of thought process that goes into some scenes, you gotta invest money in your shit if you want all that shit. Like, people don't get. That's crazy to me, bro.
I know my two hands work. I know that I do man dirt. Set level the pen.
Oh my God, I like that.
Allow me again. This that. Sounds of the skeng, I move fast. All my friends foul.
Man, hold on, man.
Allow me again.
That's the part I don't understand. So would they have? I'm acting like these people don't have the budget. I see. I'm looking at these effects and perspective as someone without a crazy budget. Like, how would one be able to accomplish these effects? So that's what I'm trying to. Bro, how? Look at it. And then, because these scenes are going so fast, it might be hard to tell when. Because that's what I'm saying. Like, scenes like this, for example, they could have either used some sort of a very long propelled rope with the camera going down. I don't think this is green screen, but parts of it might be. Honestly, I have no idea. And it's tough to say because how fast the scenes are going. You would have to study it frame by frame to really see what's going on. And then it goes from there, pans up. You see the horse, the cow, whatever, but it's so quick. Again, you can't see the inconsistency.
Mr. Skeng's got the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga
some VHS glitch RGB split effects.
Name a nigga that's this
Oh, because it was supposed to be okay.
Name a nigga that's this
Wow.
Froze.
This is dope.
On point for the that's this consistent. Name a nigga that's
Yeah, okay, I'm studying that. I see. Okay. Put them there and then you do some what is it called? Those 3D okay.
This district. They're trying to figure out what is this joint. Me and Flipper come and flip this joint. My Swiss big like miss this joint. They're trying to figure out what is this joint. Me and Flipper come and flip this joint.
Man.
This joint. They're trying to figure out what is this joint.
You can tell he's not there already. That's what I'm trying to see. He just kind of appears. He just kind of appears there. In green, so they okay. Wow. Oh.
Like President flips this joint. Real niggas gonna dig this joint. Whipping excursion, my niggas whip this joint. I don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's
This video is absolutely phenomenal. I love it. The dog had to obviously be the one in green screen, and they could have rotoscoped them, and then put the dog in the background, which would be the most logical thing to do since they're only standing still. They're not really moving too much, so it makes it a bit easier. That was a great video. Credits STORMZY management, Toby Nwoka. That sounds Nigerian. Ayesha Danlore, STORMZY styling and cut. Man, you got a great team. Anything is possible. You know what I'm saying? But it's beyond the videographer sometimes. It's beyond the editor. It's everybody's bringing in their ideas on the table and just making magic happen, bro. This is a very, very dope ass video. Let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you learned something from my commentary and whatnot. Let me know what you guys want me to check out next, whether from this artist or from another artist. I hope you guys are having a great day, man. Stay safe, take care of yourself, go out there, grind, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. Y'all be easy. Peace.